Okay, first time I'm getting this done.
Are you nervous?
I am a little nervous.
Oh,
I don't know.
good. He's sanitizing them.
Oh, sharp objects.
Careful.
A bit nervous, yeah. I mean, that's...
I love the headlamp. It's so intense, the headlamp. Like, what's he gonna see? Ooh! All right, here we go, John.
Too dirty.
Oh. Does it hurt?
Cold. No, it actually feels nice. Oh, that's... Oh, the pressure. What if he finds something?
He's looking. He's looking. He's looking for something. Oh.
Was it a spa? Like every month?
Now he's in there with the spatula thing.
Cleaning it out.
这力度合适吗？轻了还是重了？我说这个力度合适吗？力量好，大小。
Oh. Maybe there's a lot. Oh my gosh. I feel like he's fishing.
He hasn't gotten anything yet.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
We used to go to the spa.
It's a tradition.
Spas before. You lay on the bed, you open up in your pocket and everything.
That's like a wire. It's literally like a wire.
酥麻的感
Oh,
觉
it feels
有
weird.
点痛痛的就会有酥麻感觉。软的，
Oh, feels super weird.
哎，很软。
It looks very weird. Kind of just looks like one long pube going into your ear. Yummy.
然后痒痒的，那就给你痒痒的，这样就痒痒的。
Oh. Like, it feels like water. It's like, sounds like water in your ear.
And now he's got like a little broom in there. Okay, now a little feather pick. Oh, something just fell on my head.
Something from my ear. And that feels nice, but
所以洗，哎，洗好不要撞回来。
whoa.
Oh, it's just, oh.
高潮的，不要撞过来哦。
Is it vibrating?
Yeah. I don't know how I feel about that. Is it nice? It's not nice.
好嘞。
Oh.
All right.
You got it.
Oh, this is a good angle.
Oh my gosh. This one's actually more relaxing.
Because you know what to expect?
You know what to expect.
Yeah.
It's not too bad.
Well, he seems to be enjoying himself. The guy who's cleaning. Ooh.
Or that's what we're here for.
非常 little。
Fei Chung Little.
Fei Chung Little. Oh,
要不然你受不了，
That one's a weird one.
稍微斜一点。
Oh, here he goes with the tongs again. Here you go with the vibrations.
Okay.
可以慢慢给你上手。
You should do it. It's nice.
Finished?
Yeah. I think I got a massage now.
Oh,
I don't know.
you're getting a massage. I don't know either. Well, he's putting his tools
13
away.
minutes. Well, I don't want you to crack my neck.
He wants to.
Oh, no, look. Oh! I don't know if I like that.
一头，一头，
John's getting his neck cracked.
不用怕，不用怕。
Just relax.
弄完以后你牵紧你腹部的抬，是的，是的，背挺直，背挺直，哎，背要挺直，来，来一点。好，低头，低头让回热，血液。
Oh, I see that on TV. Holy shit. I didn't think I would get that done in a garden in the middle of
Surprise.
Chengdu, China.
Surprise.
Oh, that was worth the money right there,
没问题。
actually.
血液
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
yes.
Whoa, whoa. Wow.
啊，因为
Wow.
微信可以。谢谢啊。
哎，
Woo, that's relaxing.
Wow.
我爱中国。
Wow. So how do you feel now?
Feels so relaxed.
Do you
I
feel-
was surprised by the neck cracking because I don't like to lose control like that, and it felt great. I know.
Oh my gosh. You're so red. Wow.
what happens.
He was working hard.
He worked hard.
Wow.
Feels great.